So, ayan na po yung fried rice natin. It's ready to serve. Hi guys! So, it's me again, Cheryl, and welcome back to my cooking tutorial. So, for today's video, I'm going to make fried rice from the leftover food from the dinner last night. So, to avoid wasting your food, you can shift it onto another recipe that your kids would love. And this recipe is a kind of recipe that mostly kids in Philippines or every other kids loved it. So, I'll show you. So yeah guys, para hindi masayang yung mga leftover food nyo last night, so gagawa ako ng plain fried rice para sa lunch ng aking alaga at namin. So I have a leftover rice here from last night. I have some pork, carrots, shrimp, egg, and spring onions. So this is the ingredients that I'm going to use for my fried rice. Usually I put some corn, but we don't have corn, so just cook whatever is available in your kitchen. So for the preparations of our fried rice recipe, preheat oil in a pan and then fry the egg first. So that's the first thing you need to do, is to fry the egg first, so save time, it's more easy. And you cook it for like 3 minutes, and after that you can set aside. It's just a scrambled egg, medium cook, and set it aside after. And then you can add a little bit of butter on the frying pan and cook the shrimp. So you just fry the shrimp for just at least 2 minutes, and then you can set it aside too. So now you can start frying the meat. So you fry it for like at least 5 minutes, medium brown, and then you can add the carrots and add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and a cup of water. Just a small cup of water is okay, and then simmer for at least 5 minutes hanggang sa ma-absorb at mawala yung tubig, ma-dissolve na yung tubig. So you can just have to wait and then add a little bit of soy sauce after that to taste. I like to put it soy sauce para hindi siya dull tingnan yung fried rice. So you just have to wait, and then you can add the shrimp after that, and then you can add your leftover rice from last night and fry for like 5 minutes more. So just fry your fried rice for 5 minutes more, and add a little bit of salt to taste para may lasa din yung rice. But if possible you had magic sarap or ginisa mix, because mostly in Philippines you use that, you can add it to taste. Masarap naman siya, but here in Hong Kong we don't really use it. So we just usually use some salt and pepper to taste. Yun lang talagang ginagamit namin dito. We don't use some sodium. So yeah, fry the rice together with the meat and carrots, and then after 5 minutes you can add the egg and add a little bit of salt again. And you can try to taste it if the taste is good. So yeah, wait until it's like really cooked. Add the spring onions for toppings. Ito na yung ating fried rice. Ready na siya. So now our fried rice is ready. We can transfer it on a plate and it's ready to serve. Para makakain na din tayo ng masarap na lunch. I do really love fried rice as well. So I'm going to have this with my alaga. We're having this for our lunch. So ayan na po yung fried rice natin. It's ready to serve. So now to try our fried rice a la Cheryl. So ito po siya. Ito try ko lang po. can taste the butter. It's very yummy. So, as we all know that fried rice is very famous in Philippines because we usually cook fried rice. Tas, bet nyo ng mga alaga natin or ng mga anak natin. So, mommy, if you want to try this fried rice, it's very easy and quick recipe.
This was a long day. Auntie, this is was a long day.
One day.
This was a warm day.
It's a warm day?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's a warm day.
Igna, you pray first.
Oh,
You pray now, you pray first. Okay. Hi guys, we're eating fried rice.
hello, guys. We're eating fried rice.
Eat guys.
Hello, eat. This is nice.
You pray first. It's a big one, huh? Amon. Chicken. Okay.
Auntie, I call my friends.
Yummy? So, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. I'll see you in my next vlog.